I am Dr. Patrick Oseloka Ezekwe, the Director of Strategy, Research and Innovation at the African Higher Education Research Observatory, AfriHero UK. We are looking at presenting initiatives in Africa and Nigeria that can capacitate academics with skills for navigating knowledge production across academia, industry, and government. These triple helix skills have been recognized as fundamental to achieving a game-changing intervention in African higher education. To this effect, I have been invited by the University of Ilorin through the cooperation of Professor M.O. Ibrahim, Professor of Mathematics at the University of Ilorin, sorry.